Jesus heals a man's withered hand. Welcome to the Blessing Voices, where we explore the powerful miracles in the Bible. Today, we will look at Jesus heals a man's withered hand, found in Matthew chapter 12 verses 9 to 14, Mark chapter 3 verses 1 to 6, and Luke chapter 6 verses 6 to 11. This story shows us how Jesus values mercy over legalism and has the power to restore what is broken. On the Sabbath day, Jesus entered a synagogue, where a man with a withered hand was present. The Pharisees were watching closely, hoping to find a reason to accuse Jesus. Jesus knew their thoughts and asked, "Is it lawful to do good on the Sabbath, or to do evil? To save life, or to destroy it?" The Pharisees refused to answer, exposing their hardened hearts. Then Jesus said to the man, "Stretch out your hand." As soon as the man stretched out his hand, it was completely healed. The people marveled at Jesus' power, but the Pharisees became furious and began plotting against him. The story of Jesus heals a man's withered hand teaches us important lessons about mercy, faith, and obedience. First lesson: Jesus values mercy over legalism. Matthew chapter 9 verse 13, "I desire mercy, not sacrifice." The Pharisees cared more about their rules than helping people, but Jesus showed that love and compassion are more important than legalism. Second lesson: faith requires obedience. Hebrews chapter 11 verse 6, "Without faith, it is impossible to please God." The man had to stretch out his hand in faith before he was healed. Sometimes, obedience is the first step toward our miracle. Here are 3 key takeaways from today's story. First, Jesus values mercy over legalism. Second, faith requires action and obedience. Third, Jesus restores what is broken. Take a moment to think about these questions. 1. Am I more focused on rules than on loving others? 2. When Jesus asks me to take a step of faith, am I willing to obey? 3. Do I trust that Jesus can restore what is broken in my life? In the conclusion, the story of Jesus heals a man's withered hand teaches us. First lesson: Jesus values mercy over legalism. Second lesson: faith requires obedience. No matter what struggles we face, Jesus has the power to restore and heal. Just as in Jesus heals a man's withered hand, we too can experience his mercy and power through faith. If God has worked in your life, share your story and encourage others. Let's trust in Jesus and believe that his power is still at work today. Please, like and follow the Blessing Voices for more messages of faith.